Hi, I'm Colin with National Parts Depot. I'm super excited to introduce NPD's exclusive made with all new tooling dash pad for 79 to 81 Camaro. If you've seen NPD's 1970 to 78 dash pads, you know we nailed that reproduction big time. Well, I'm here to tell you we've done exactly the same thing with these 79 to 81 Camaro dash pads. We went through several original GM pads to create the mold for our new pad here. The end result is a pad that captures every curve, bend, and mounting tab perfectly. The grain is spot on to the GM original too. One of the other things you'll notice about our new pads is their weight. They're molded in urethane just the way GM did it all those years ago. These are not vinyl wrap like the other pad on the market today. Urethane means a sturdy pad that will retain its structure for years to come. Now these pads are available in black only, but NPD carries all the solvents, preps, and SEM paints that'll let you put your new pad back to any factory color available. These pads are in stock, ready to order right now. Call us anytime at 800-874-7595 or order online at npdlink.com.